Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the chart of Bank Nifty, 33,750, 33,800 is acting like a resistance, and Friday's high was 33,721. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens flat and then if it goes above 33,725, 750, you can buy Bank Nifty and it can easily touch 34,000. But if we see Bank Nifty going below 33,600, then we may see a selling pressure. So 33,600, 33,500 will act as a support, and in case we see a gap up opening around 34,000, then it can remain sideways, or if you see a negative sign on chart and if a downside price action is formed, we may see a selling pressure. Or after a initial profit booking, if it clears the high again, you can buy Bank Nifty, and in that case it can go above 34,000. Now let's see Nifty. So if Nifty crosses Friday's high, that is around 15,750, we will see a good buying momentum in Nifty. So you can buy Nifty if it opens flat and then if it crosses 15,725, and in that case it can go till 15,800 to 15,830, and on the downside 15,600 will act as a support. And if we see a gap up opening around 15,800, it can remain sideways. If you see a negative sign on chart, then you can sell Nifty. It can again come till 15,700, and after initial dip, if it crosses day high again, then you can buy Nifty. So now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is Nestle, and if you see the chart, it has given a breakout from this consolidation. So you can buy Nestle above 17,250. For this trade, you'll have to maintain a stop loss around 17,100, 17,080, and the next resistance is around 17,500. So 17,500 will be the target. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.